Hi, I'm James Taylor, founder and Group Chief Executive of Superstars. I'm a Big Ideas Wales role model and the Big Ideas Wales Challenge Ambassador. As part of being the Challenge Ambassador and one of the entrepreneurs on the scoring panel, in this video I'm going to be providing further clarity on what selection will be based on and what to include in your application to make sure that you're successful. Before anything, you need to remember that the Big Ideas Wales Challenge is looking for applications from ambitious, young entrepreneurs aged between 16 to 24 with a business idea they've started either in 2014 or can start in 2015 and want to develop and grow it in Wales. Sound like you? Great. You'll need to therefore know what to include in your application. The application is a crucial stage. It's the first opportunity for the panel of entrepreneurs, including myself, to judge whether you're ready to start a business. All applicants are required to complete 2 steps as part of the application process. Firstly, you need to submit your Big Ideas video. This has to be no longer than 3 minutes long. It doesn't need to be professionally shot, but needs to outline key things about you and your business. Please also ensure you fully complete the supporting downloadable application form from bigideaswales.com and send to us alongside a current CV. Together, these will provide us with the information needed to select the best young people to proceed to the next stage. As a panel, we're going to select applicants who've best demonstrated and provided information on your business, how and why you came up with it, the viability of the business idea and research undertaken to support this, your plans for developing and growing the business, why you're applying for the Big Ideas Wales Challenge, can you realistically launch and develop your business within the next 6 months from bootcamp? Do you have the potential to create employment within the first year after bootcamp? Have you got the personal and business attributes that will help you achieve your business goal? And a clear demonstration that you are able and willing to challenge through the boardrooms. This will be crucial when it comes to scoring, as applications that haven't included all the information needed won't score as highly. As an entrepreneur, I've had the drive and ambition to start a business, but being challenged by my peers really helped me to accelerate its growth. As part of the challenge, we want to help you to create a great business for yourself, for others, and for the Welsh economy. Therefore, ensure your application includes all the information, apply for the challenge today, and make 2015 the year your business goals become a reality.